In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Offset Path in Adobe Illustrator to create clean inner and outer outlines. Offset Path is a reliable way to add consistent spacing around shapes or outline text, whether you're designing badges, icons, stickers, or simply giving artwork a bold border. It creates a new path based on your original, either outside or inside it, while preserving the original object. Start by selecting the object you want to work with. This can be a shape or text that's been converted to outlines. If you're working with live text, make sure it's outlined so the offset follows its exact letter shapes. Keeping your artwork tidy at this stage makes the offset results easier to manage. With the object selected, go up to the top menu and choose Object, then Path, then Offset Path. This opens a dialog box where you'll control how the new outline is created. Enter a positive value to create a larger outline outside the original path, which is ideal for borders, stickers, and drop shadow style layers. Enter a negative value to create a smaller outline inside the original path, useful for inset borders or tightening shapes. Values are measured in your document units, and small adjustments go a long way. If you see a preview option, turn it on so you can judge the spacing in real time before committing. Next, adjust the corner look with joins. Mitre keeps corners sharp and angular, great for geometric designs. Round smooths them out, which looks polished on logos and icons. Bevel cuts the corner flat, giving a technical, faceted feel. If you're using mitre and see long spikes on acute angles, lower the mitre limit to keep corners from getting too pointy. When everything looks right, click OK. Illustrator generates a new path offset from the original, leaving both intact. You'll usually see the new path sitting above the original in the same location. Change its fill or stroke to make it visually distinct and easier to work with. If the new path needs refinement, switch to the Direct Selection tool, the white arrow, or press A. This lets you grab individual anchor points and handles to tweak curves, nudge segments, and smooth out any areas that need attention. If you find yourself selecting the wrong object, temporarily lock the original layer so you can focus on the offset path. That's all there is to it. Offset path gives you precise control over spacing and corners while keeping your original artwork